I had some co-workers come to from our office come to an opening house, and they came back to the office talking about what Dr. Petro had talked about and what some of her things that she did here, and so I was very interested in finding out more about exactly what all she did and to get some advice from her as far as doing maybe a tummy tuck or a facelift. And so I actually called and made an appointment and sat down with her and told her what I would like to have done. And she was very thorough in how she explained, the procedures and the time frame of recovery and all those things. And so from there, I made an appointment to have some liposuction and a mini facelift. I had anticipated, maybe the facelift being a little bit more painful than it actually was. I had the facelift around Thanksgiving of last year. In fact, it was a day or two before Thanksgiving, and she had me come back the very next day, and looked at everything, made sure things were going well, and it was actually not that painful. Bruising some, but not to the extent that I thought it was going to be, because I just assumed when you had a facelift that you were pretty much black and blue all over the face, but I really wasn't. I had some, but not to the extent I thought. That was one of the things that, of course, I'm getting older, and I don't mind saying I'm pretty vain, and so I don't mind, I guess, the aging. I just wanted to look and feel vibrant, and it has been. It did lift my, my self-esteem, and when I look in the mirror, I look at myself as I'm not X amount of the age. I don't look at, hopefully as much, and so it really did. It really gave me a lot more self-esteem about myself as I'm growing older. I didn't tell but one or two of my family members that I was having it done, and I didn't tell any of my coworkers or whatever. And I've had so many comments about, I don't know what you did, but you sure look younger than you used to. You haven't gotten a new hairdo or anything? What is it? And I'm like, just living right, And but I have had a lot of really good comments about the facelift. If you feel good, then you act younger, you feel younger, and you want to dress younger too. If you're going to have any kind of surgery, facelifts, any of those procedures done, come talk to Dr. Petro. She's very nice. She's very thorough. She showed me pictures of befores and after of some that she had done. And I also knew of one of the doctors that she trained under, which made me even more blessed to have her come see her and have it done with her, because I knew that the other doctor. But if I was anybody out there going to have something done, come sit down and talk to her first. And she is the most pleasant doctor too to work with. So she's very wants you to look natural, not that if I look at you I can tell that you've had a facelift. She wants you to be natural looking, and she succeeded with me. I have been very pleased with mine, and we'll have more.